The most sketchiest bowling alley I've ever seen.
Alright guys, yeah. Well, teleporting is much better than driving. We're here. Let's see if Carlos is here though. Let's check. Just kidding. Alright guys, in today's vlog, I'm going to be talking to my friend about not getting here early enough because we got here first before him. He's going to get here in around.
It looks for somewhere else.
I'm
stuck.
Alright, drive-through prank. What's our drive-through prank?
Oh yeah, I'm stuck.
What's our drive-through prank?
Game of keyboard.
This is gonna be our very first drive-through prank. Just kidding, guys. If you guys want that, comment down below. Let us know if you guys want us to do that.
Wait.
Or should I just laugh at his failure?
I thought you were a Gryffindor.
Hey, look, it's like one of those it's one of those memes you guys watch or whatever. One of those TikToks.
It feels like we're moving.
Look at that.
I'm getting seasick in the car.
Ah! Bro, we didn't have to do a prank on the drive-through. You're doing the whole prank yourself.
I'm alive. How am I sure?
Brendan has successfully stripped in the car.
Oh my gosh, I felt like...
Why did my accents change? Do you guys ever do that? Like you're in work and then your accent changes because of the person that you're taking an order from? Like, take for example, they're from like the UK, right? So you take their order,
yeah,
and all of a sudden, yeah, like you change your voice, you're like, alright guys, we're pulling up to the driveway.
Why do you keep switching your accent?
I don't know guys, but I just love these accents. Here we go, man. You
Fail.
Guys, save the turtles. Don't use any straws, just like in my workplace in Gatorland. They don't use any straws because they're healthy.
Yeah, it's because you want to get really strong.
Wait, why did I say healthy? Oh. The food in the bag because it says no outside food, but
then the drinks.
So what you do is that you put it in the bag. You know, big. Oh. Alright guys, you remember these guys? You remember my models? Models, we got Kyle.
Models or security guards?
We got Mike. We got Michael. So we got
That's Kyle.
Kyle.
Yeah. No, that's Kyle.
Did I get it right this time?
No, this one's Kyle.
Oh, this one's Kyle.
Yeah.
This is Kyle,
This
Michael.
one's Brandon.
I'm Brandon. This is Gabriel. This is Hernandez. This is Joseph. This is Joseph.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you guys remember the models from the last video. We will get it. Alright guys, time to get some tickets.
1.5.
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Really? What is it? I'll follow it.
Actually, yeah, I just started, so doing Instagram is a lot better.
Instagram?
Got Instagram? Okay. Alright guys, you want to be part of it?
Yeah.
Bet. This is how you do it, guys.
Hi guys.
This is what happens.
Welcome to my channel.
This is what happens.
Oh, lucky bastard.
Alright.
Get 2 in a 4.
Alright, so he got all the payments.
Hey, it's on Joseph!
Yeah! And then we dip. Done.
You know what they say about the feet? The bigger the feet, the bigger the socks. You know what they say? The bigger the socks, the bigger the toes. Don't get demonetized.
11.
Yeah, I'm not putting that, don't worry.
I'm not putting that. I'm cutting that out. Thank you.
Size.
Cutting that out.
I'm cutting that out.
Size.
I don't know, 9?
Alright, here we go.
Awesome, thanks.
Thank you.
Leaves up, boys. It's getting serious.
Don't.
No.
I still messed it up.
How'd you mess up?
I'm good there. You know what? I'm just gonna.
That was supposed to be 100%.
Roll up the pants. Roll up the pants.
Hey, no, just take it off. Just take it off.
Now they're gonna think you're like a
All right, man. Me and my Mexican brother right here. We're gonna go and gonna invade his vlogs. All right. So, órale, Simón.
Yeah, from now on, we're chicos and
Culiacán, Sinaloa.
I know who Coach Sean was.
Yo, I don't know what they said, but I'm putting that.
All right, guys, we're part of the 100 Club. First game, didn't do so hot. Second game, came back. I got third place, so, you know. 100 Club.
I did horrible in the first game, but came back in the second game.
Okay.
Hey, bro, you just gotta look good on camera.
Alright.
First game was the warm-up game for everybody. I took the first one. Second one goes to Joseph.
Alright. Ninja Turtles?
It's Raphael. Thank you very much.
Alright, what's up?
It was a good game, you know. Kyle with a hairline missing, but you know, it's good.
Okay.
Hey, anybody with the pulse, hit me up. Tough competition.
Damn, alright.
You don't know how to turn around.
Look at these slackers getting here late. 7%.
So guys, the 7x7 is a secret menu in Steak and Shake, where basically you get a burger, but the twist is you have 7 patties and 7 cheeses in between.
Dang, you guys hear that?
So it's gonna be exciting.
That's gonna be epic. Alright guys, what did the chef say? Who's gonna say it?
So, you know what happens, right?
So I asked him how the chef took it. He said, the chef said it's time for rig, and he walked out.
Alright guys, we ordered too much patties.
Every
The
single
grill
one
can't even fit that.
Guys, that's 35 patties
even put that
that
in
one
patties.
chef has to cook. Just imagine that. We're literally ending this man's career. 35 patties.
Simultaneously.
Oh my
The first time
god.
serving, and he's getting hit with this.
and he's already hated by his people.
This is his
Guys.
first day on the job.
Guys, our server is the first day in the job. You boys ready? You boys ready to get
Wait,
the
dude, wait. Get the measurement though.
Get the measurement. Guys, look at that.
Oh,
Look
my
how
jaw.
big that is. Y'all ready for this? Game on, game on?
Game on.
Oh, you're so horrible. Look what he does.
Oh,
He's
no.
a spring.
This dude literally has pickle juice. He actually got pickle juice.
So like when you're like too drunk and you eat, oh shit, dump shit.
Hey, we better watch him drink some pickle juice. If not, he's drunk.
Oh, he's gonna drink it. Oh no! It's not
Oh.
focusing. Stop focusing.
You do it again.
If I have to, you know.
Go. 1%. Hey, that's the end of the
Hey,
vlog,
now walk
guys.
a straight line. Walk a straight line.
That's the end of the vlog.
Walk straight line.
Oh, walk straight line. Oh, he's getting it. All right, guys, that's it for the vlogs today. It was fun. We had a good time bowling and eating that 7x7. Woo, that was huge.
Pickles.
Goodbye.
Did you miss one?
No, I think it ate his score.
It ate my score.
Oh, how convenient.